Morning students, welcome to second class. Last class we studied about Indian number system, international number system and place value chart. Now we are going to tell about numbers. Numbers la comparison of numbers. So second part is comparison of numbers. First, how to compare the numbers we எப்படி நம்ம compare பண்ணுவோம் numbers. So which is smaller and which is greater and which is equal. So the definition is that we use the symbols less than, greater than and equal to compare any two numbers. To compare any two numbers. This is a symbol of less than, this is a symbol of greater than, this is a symbol of equal. So then pick out the following. Next. So this is the apple. Apple have the seeds. Some seeds are there. So how many seeds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 seeds are there. So which is, this is greater than 10 or less than 10? You find it? This is less than 10. So we can pick out it. This is less than 10. Then second question is, how many sticks? Sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 sticks are there. Which it is greater 10? This is less than 10. As usual, this is greater 10. So pick out the following, is clear. Next, the third example is 2 and 3. So usually comparison of numbers, we use the symbols to compare any two numbers. So we take two numbers, 2 and 3 are there. So which it is greater and which it is smaller? We say, so which it is greater? 3 is greater. So which it is greater? So 3 is greater. So we can write the symbol as open with the third 3 side. So 3 is the bigger. So the symbol is open with the 3 side. So we can write 2 is less than 3. So we can write, then we can say 2 is less than 3. Then the number is 5 and 3 is there. So we can write 5 and 3. Which is greater? 5 is greater or 3 is greater? 5 is greater. So as usual, the symbol is open with the 5 side. So how can I write it? 5 is greater than 3. So how can I write? 5 is greater than 3. Next, comparing the numbers with unequal numbers of digit. Comparing the numbers with unequal numbers of digit. So when we compare the numbers 16,090 and 1,616, two numbers are there. We are already learn about the more digits of numbers is the greater. So which is the more digit number? So 1,616 is the more digit, because how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6 digit numbers. Then this is the 5 digit number. So which is greater? First we can write the 6 digit number. 1,00616, 1,616. Then the 5 digit number is 16,090. So which is greater? So this is greater. So the symbol is open with the greater side. Okay. Next, write the numbers in the ascending order as the same way. This is the page number 13 in the try this moment. So the number is 688, then 9, then 23,005 and then 50, then 7,500. First we count the how many digits are there. So more than digits is the first number. So which is the more digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the more digits. So this is the fifth number. And next 1, 2, 3, 4. This is ascending order, no? So we can write the smaller number to greater number. So this is the smaller number, this is the smaller number and this is the greater number. So next 4 numbers is, this is 4 and next this is 3 number and this is 2 number and this is 1 digit sort. This is the 5 digit number, this is 4 digit number and 688 is 3 digit number and 50 is 2 digit number and 9 is 1 digit number. So we can write, so this is the ascending order. So to move, ascending order means less than 2 greater than number. So which is the less than number so that this is the 1 digit. So we can write 9. Next less than number, next greater number is 50. Then we can write, then 3 digit number is 688 and next 4 digit number is 7500. Next 5 digit number is 23,005. So we can set the comma. So 90. So 9. So we can, in that way we can proceed the some symbols out there. So we can proceed the symbols. So 9 and 50, which is greater. So 50 is greater. So the symbol is standard with the this side. So 9 is less than 50 and 50 is less than 688 and 688 is less than 7500. 7500 is less than 23,005. So this is the ascending order. As the same way we can prove that the next exercise 1.2 fourth sum, same way, but this is descending order. So we can solve that sum. So some questions are there. So how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So 3 numbers are 5 digits. This is how many digits? 4 digits are there. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 digits are there. Next we can take the commas are there. So in the order, so we take the commas in Indian numbering system. So 4, 3, 5, put the comma and in 2 centers then put the comma. We can say 1,28,435. Then next this is 3 digits backwards, put the commas. So 10,08,835. So 2 ones and put the comma, then 6348 put the comma, 25840 then put the comma. So 10,835, this is sorry, then 21,354, 6,348, 25,840. So next we can arrange it. This is a descending order, no. So we can write bigger number to smaller number. So which is the bigger numbers is there? This is the bigger number. So we can write. So next number is, so 5 numbers or 5 digits is there. For 3 numbers or 5 digits is there. So 1085835, 21,335, 34, 354, 25,840. So this is the lowest number, very lowest number in the 3 numbers. So next number is 21,354, 25,840. So which is the greater number? This is the greater number. So we can write 25,840. And next the less number is 21,354. So next smaller number is 10,835. And next 4 digit numbers is the last and least number 6,348. So how can we represent with the symbols? Okay, then write the numbers 435, 1,28,435, then 25,840. So which is greater? So this is the greater. So this is the greater. So this symbol is open with the greater side. So 1,28,435 is, so that the symbol is the 25,840. Then the number is next number is 21,354. So 25,840 is greater than 21,354, and the number is greater than 10,835. So 21,354 is greater than 10,355 is greater than 6,348. Okay. So next, creating new numbers. Creating the new numbers. Okay. Using the 4-digit numbers 9, 4, 8 and 5. We need to make a different 4-digit number. So we need to make a different 4-digit number. So in the 4 numbers vechi namba 4-digit number வந்து நம்ம வந்து make பண்ணனும். So we make different 4-digit number in such a way that the digit are not repeated. We get it the following arrangement of different 4-digit number. So the 4 digits number இருக்கு. So அதை வச்சு நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா different 4 digits number வந்து நம்ம compare பண்ண போறோம், எடுக்க போறோம். Okay, comparing the numbers. So the first number 4 number is 9, 4, 8 and 4, 8 and 5. So the conditions is digits are not repeated. So digits are not repeated. The next condition is we need to make the different 4-digit number. So different, we need to make the different 4-digit number and not repeated. Okay, conditions is don't forgettable. Then the numbers is there. So we can write the number 9, 4, 8 and 5. Okay, 9, 4, 8 and 5. So we can don't change the number in the first number. So we can write the first number 9. Okay, next 4. So we can write the 4 the number. So next we can interchange the 4, 5 and 8. So we can interchange the second row 5 and 8. So we can write this 10 side is 5 and the one side is 8. Next, as usual, the first number is the same number. Next, then we can interchange the center number 4 and 8. So we can interchange the numbers. Okay. So 8 is this side and the 4 is this side. As usual, 5 is at the same place. Okay. Next, we can write the 9 and we can write the 8 number and we can interchange this side. Okay. So 5 is write that side and 4 is write that side. Next, as usual, write the numbers 9 and so 8 is there. So we can write the which numbers we can write. So we can write the numbers 4, already write the 4 and write the 8. So we can write the 5. So 5. So we can interchange this number. So 5 and this place. So 5 and this number is 4. We can interchange. Next, we write that number. Next, as usual, first numbers don't changing. So write the number 9 and 5. Interchange that 2 numbers. So 8 is that side and 4 is that side. First number only interchange, only not changed, not repeated. But another number is, so first number only repeated and another number is not repeated. Okay. Next, exercise 1.2, third sum of the number. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digit numbers. So we can write the numbers first. 1, 3, 8, 6, 7, 8, 7, 2, 1, 5. Next we can commas. Take the commas. 3 digits in the Indian number system. Commas and 2 again another 2 place, then commas, another 2 place, then comma, then 1 place, then comma. So how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 digits are there. So what is the question of the numbers three numbers are there, which is one is the largest and which is one is the greatest. So which is the greater number and which is the largest number. So 10. Then write the next number 1 3 7 6 9 8 8 9 0. We can arrange the numbers with commas. So 3 numbers before then commas, then 2 numbers one group of commas, then 2 numbers one group of commas. So how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 digits. Next number 8 6 7 2 0 5 6 0. So arrange the commas. How many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 numbers are there, 8 digits. Therefore, which is the largest number? We have already learnt about which is the more than number is the greater. So which is the more than digits are there? This is the more than digits. So this is the largest number. So we can write 1 3 8 6 7 8 7 2 1 5. So this is the greatest largest number. Next, which is a smaller number in the question? So this is the smallest digits. So we can write the number 8 6 7 2 0 5 6 0. Got it? Then for some already learned that this class. Next we write the fifth question. Write any 8 digit number with 6 in 10 lakh. Write any 8 digit number with 6 in 10 lakh and 9 in 10,000 place. So we can arrange the place. First draw a place value chart. This is the place value column. So draw a place value chart. So this is the ones group, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh and crore. So which it is? Write any 8 digit. No. So we can write only a 8 digit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 digit. 6th place in 10 lakhs. 6 in 10 lakhs. So in the 10 lakhs, 6 in 10 lakhs. So we can write 10 lakhs place. The value is 6. Then 9 in 10,000. So this is the 10,000 value. So 9 is, which is there. So write any 8 numbers. So hint is 8, 6 and 9. So which is write any numbers in the boxes. So we can write any numbers in the boxes. 1, for example 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. We can write any numbers. So which it is satisfies. So the answer is 1 6 2 9 3 5 4 5 6. So then which it is? Now we are commas. Put the commas. So 2 digits. So this is a Indian numbering system. So we can, the commas are divided into the 3 digit and 2 digit and 2 digit and 1 digit. How can I say? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay. So 6 is there in the 10 lakh place and 9 is there in the 10,000 place, which it is satisfies. How can I say? 1 crore 62 lakhs 93,456. We can say this way, which it is satisfies. So the next sum is 7th sum in exercise 1.2. The password to access my ATM card includes the digits. So 4 digits are there. Any other ATM cards in 4 digits only is there. So 9, 4, 6 and 8. It is the smallest 4 digit even number. So it is the smallest 4. This is the hint for this problem. This is the smallest 4 digit even numbers. Find the password of my ATM cards. So ATM cards irukku. So adoda password வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 4 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ 4 is there. So we can write in smallest 4 digit number. So smallest 4 digit number means small to bigger number. So we can write the numbers. This number 9, 4, 6 and 8 is there. So we can write the smallest 4 digit number. So small to greater number. So we can write 4 is a small number. So we can write the first number. Next is 6 and 8 and 9. So the next 4, 6, 8 and 9. So you find the password of any my ATM card. It is the smallest 4 digit number is even number. So which it is? What can I say? Even numbers is, so we can write interchange this 2 number. Okay, so we can write the answer. The 4 pin number of ATM is 4, 6, 9 and 8. So this is the password of this pin number. Okay, shall we move to ninth sum? The height in meters of the mountain in the Tamil Nadu are as follows. So this mountains are there. So Tottebetta is in the height is 2637 meters, and Mahendragiri the height is 1647 meters, and Aanemudi the mountain height is 2695, and the Velangiri the height is 1778. So which is the three questions are there. Which is the highest mountain listed above? So which is the highest mountains is there? How can we find it? Which is the large more digit number? Which is the more digit number is the greater we know. Okay, so this is the more digit number. I think so 4 numbers also a more digit number. Okay, so then this is the 2695 and this is the 2635. This 2 number is larger number, so we can write the 2695. So because it is a smaller number, 2635 is smaller number, so we can write 2695 meters. So the answer is Aanemudi. So the next question is, order the mountain from the highest to the lowest. Order the mountain from the highest to the lowest. So which is the highest number? This is the highest number. So we can write the highest number 2695, and then 2637. So which is the symbol is there? Which is the greater number? 2695 is greater number. So symbol is open with the symbol is that side. So we can say 2695 is greater than 2637. 2637 is greater than, which is a small which is the next greater number is the, this is the greater number. So we can write the numbers. Is greater than 1778, and this is greater than 1647, and write the, this is the Aanemudi, and this is the Tottebetta meters, and this is the Velangiri meters, and this is the Aanemudi meters. So we can write it. Then next third separation is, what is the difference between the height of the mountain and Aanemudi and Mahendragiri? So we can find the height difference between the height of the difference between the Aanemudi and Mahendragiri. So what is the height of Aanemudi? So we can write the Aanemudi means A and Mahendragiri means M. So A is equal to 2000. So Aanemudi is equal to 2695 meters and Mahendragiri is 1647 meters. We write. So next difference between means, what is the difference between? Difference between means we can subtract the numbers. So we can subtract the numbers. Okay, this so borrow the numbers 9 and this is 8. So we can 8. So 15 minus 7 is 8. So 8 minus 4 is 4. So 6 minus 6 is 0 and 1. So the value is 1048 meter. Okay, 1048 meter. Okay students, today class is over. So today. I hope you are all understand this class. See you the next class. Thank you.